Hi guys, my name is Samantha Clarke. Thank you for joining me today. I am a yoga, meditation and mindfulness mentor based in Vancouver, Canada, and we're in my home studio. So today I'll be taking you through a 5-minute meditation. It's important to note that you're in a room where it can be quiet. You have lighting that actually allows you to feel comfortable and calm, but not to fall asleep. So before I take you through this 5-minute meditation, it's really important to note that meditation isn't the absence of thought. It's actually guiding you to create space between the thoughts so that we start to become aware that we're not our thoughts, but we're everything in between those. The way I'll be taking you through it today will be through breath, but if there's another form of meditation that serves you better, please find that and follow that. There is no one way to meditate. There is no right or wrong. There's just a connection to yourself. So as I take you through this 5-minute meditation today, I'll take you up to a count of 5 breaths. So we'll start with 1 breath of 1 second, 2 breaths of 2 seconds, in and out, 3 of 3, 4 of 4, 5 of 5. Ideally, as humans in our breath, we actually, as we move through life, want to be having 7 deep seconds per breath. But today, for the sake of this exercise, I'll show you what it feels like to get to 5 and how shallow our breath can be and how distracted our brain is. So find a position, whichever is comfortable for you. You can have your palms up or down. Make sure your spine is neutral, your heart is lifted, and your shoulders are back. Take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, just place your eyes somewhere gently in front of you. A drishti, a soft focus. And keep your gaze here. Take an inhale once more into the belly. And as you exhale, make the choice to either keep your eyes on that spot or close your eyes, whatever feels better for you. And so as you start to sit with yourself, knowing that the breath is going to get deeper and longer, make sure to remain present. Take 1 inhale for the count of 1. Inhale, 1. Hold, 1. Exhale, 1. Inhale for the count of 2. 1, 2. Hold for 1. Exhale, 1, 2. Hold for 1. Inhale, 1, 2. Hold for 1. Exhale, 1, 2. Inhale for 1, 2, 3. Hold for 1. Let the breath out for 1, 2, 3. 2 more at 3. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Gentle hold at the top. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold. Inhale, 1, 2, 3. Hold. Exhale, 1, 2, 3. Gentle hold. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Release the tension out of your shoulders and the breath and seep the air out gently for 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit with the emptiness, knowing you'll be full again for 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit in the openness. Be willing to surrender for 4, 3, 2, 1. Indulge in the emptiness, filling yourself up for 4, 3, 2, 1. Bathe in your wholeness. and surrender for 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, no tension, open belly, release for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2. When you witness your mind distracted, bring it back to the breath and release for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 3 more and we're done. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2. Come back to the breath, the physical sensations, release the tension. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one. Inhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And to finish, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And release the breath completely. Open your eyes if they're not on the floor. And just notice the difference in your body now to just 5 minutes ago. Perhaps it's calmer. Perhaps you notice distraction, frustration. Perhaps you feel better. Perhaps you feel worse. All of these things are beautiful. All of these things are showing us what is in our body. They're showing us what's coming up so it can come out and we can start to be that still, calm, expansive witness of all that is. So remember, we are not our thoughts. We are the space between our thoughts, and meditation is one powerful and beautiful tool to show you that. Thanks for joining me today, guys. I really hope you found some benefit and found your breath again.